Hello friends, welcome back to the Filmora Editing World. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the magical world of color isolation using Filmora. This effect lets you make one color pop, while the rest of your video goes black and white. It's perfect for adding drama or highlighting something special. Let's jump right in and create some cinematic magic. First, go to the Media tab or Stock Media. Import your video or choose one from the stock library. Then drag it down to the timeline. Next, drag the same video again and place it on the track above the original video. Now select the top video. Go to the AI Tools section. Select Smart Cutout. Then click Start Smart Cutout. With the Smart Brush, carefully mark the object or person you want to keep in color. You can zoom in if you need more accuracy. Once done, click Start Smart Cutout and wait for it to finish processing. Next, select the video layer on the bottom track. Go to the Effects tab. Apply a black and white effect to the bottom video, and that's it. Now only your selected object stays in color while the rest of the video turns black and white. Once you're happy with the result, click Export to save your video. And there you go. You've successfully created the color isolation effect in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.